Hi everybody, welcome to Creating with Love. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Your comments help this channel and other channels grow. Please share every single video that you watch that you like with your other crafty friends. It helps your channels grow. It helps kick up the algorithm and all that. Come join my Facebook group, Creating with Love Crafting, on Facebook and Instagram. I'm thinking of joining up on Patreon. I'm not growing a real whole lot here on YouTube, so I need to try to expand where I'm going. So anyways, why am I on here? Okay, so number one, I'm on here to show a haul. I went to the Dollar Tree. Someone gave me extra money and just to spend on myself. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought some crafty items. And I'm going to start showing that to you right now. Now, some of them are rebuys and some of them are new buys. So I'm sorry if you get bored with the rebuys, but here we go, okay? So I bought this because, as you all know, I'm doing junk journals. And I only have 2 left. I want to buy at least like 5 of these. Excuse me. I have 2 of these, and I want 5 more of these. All right, so that would make a total 8. But I kind of want a lot of them because I will show you why. And then my mom gave me a whole bucket of floss. Embroidery floss. So these for me are a lifesaver because I was starting to run out of my embroidery floss I had bought before. And so I have this and the elastic for my journals. But anyways, I'm going to leave that here so you guys can see what I'm working on, okay? Because I've been working on 10 small junk journals, and I'll show them a couple of them to you. I have been working on 10 small junk journals, okay? And they are the Simplicity Girls and Vogue Girls. But anyway, so here we go. All right. So I was looking for the tiny bling that I wanted to buy, and I found these pearls. And I'm really glad that the Crafter Square, that we have a wonderful, wonderful Dollar Tree store now, that they have taken a whole aisle for the Crafter Square. And then they have the Jot aisle on the other side, so I can get a lot of stuff. They're starting to carry this more, so every time I go, I get one of these, the double-sided tape, because you never know, okay? You're always going to need that. And then I got these, because I'm collecting, cutting out pieces of ephemera, like, I'm cutting out things like this, okay? And I'm not done cutting her out. But she would go, well, she's too big for one of those. But I'm looking for bags like this just to keep all of my ephemera pieces separated, okay? And so I'm just going to keep going, guys. So I went and I found this. It's pretty heavy, and it's a cutting mat. And it was $1. And I usually use to fussy cut with my X-Acto knife or my blade knife. I have blade knives. so that I can do, like I said, this girl wasn't finished. All right. So I cut these places here out with the knives. And this is what I really need, is a cutting mat. Okay. So I was surprised to find these little cutting mats in the Dollar Tree, but I was thrilled. So I bought one. I'm going to see how it works, and I'm very thrilled, guys. Okay, this is a cutting mat, and it's supposed to be healed, self-healing. All right, so here comes my kitty cat. All right, I left my door cracked so that she can let herself out, because she drives me nuts when I tried to do this. So here's some rebuys. I bought 2 more of these, and guys, these are not lasting for me. I love these. They can go on the outside of your junk journals. They go on the edges of birthday cards and tags and all that. And somebody had said, and I'm going to show you how to cut around and make it so that you can use just 2. You don't have to use the whole strip. Somebody had said that they thought it was, I heard somebody say they thought it was a waste, okay, to buy the whole thing. Well, I'm going to show you, like right here, where this one is already cut into. And if you want to use this circle, this circle, this circle, and this circle, all you got to do is take your little scissors, okay? And I'm sorry, I'm going into things, but these are tips. All you got to do is, I want to make this into the last circle I'm going to use. You just go in between the little gems, leaving the edge gem on that one, and you just clip it off, and there you go. All right, you see that? And that's all you'll waste. Or you could use this on a flower, and you can use the gems, no problem. But that's what I have been using. That's how I've been using these, guys. So I'm thrilled with that. Okay, so I have 2 more of these. I'm sorry. Every time I show you a new item, I end up having to show you something. I'm thrilled, though. I'm thrilled to show you things. All right. So anyways, now we're going into the glue I had gotten. I got 2 more Mod Podges, because with those notebooks I made, I used, I think, about 2 of these, two and a quarter of these. So that's like $2 to make 10 covers inside and out, where you Mod Podge the outside paper, this is from one of my pads, onto a paper bag, and then you Mod Podge the picture on, so it comes out durable. You know what I'm saying? And I really like it this way. I think that, you know, I'm getting 10 more ready, which I will have 15 to sell. So I think that that is a good way, instead of buying expensive leather and stuff like that, that's a good way to make leather-like, or maybe a durable cover. All right. So I used the Mod Podge. I only spent $2 and a quarter on 10 books. 10 books. All right. Now, before I had bought the bigger butterflies, these are the smaller ones, okay? And I like these. I think they're cool, because when you take them out, the butterfly bounces up and down because inside of the butterfly is a little sponge like thing, and it bounces up and down on the sponge. So that's that. Then I'm into doing some kind of paper dolls, okay? So I'm hoping upon hope, there's white and then there's brown. I'm hoping upon hope that I can just like trace around here and make a little outfit. I'm going to see if I can do it off camera, and then I'll probably do it on camera. I want to make some clothes for these paper shapes. They call them paper shapes, but I want to make paper dolls and then a folder, and I'm going to see if I can do it. All right. So anyways, that goes there. And my mom wanted to get these, so I said, oh, all right. But I do have a little baby. It's going to be full of baby outfits and babies, a junk journal, so maybe I'll just stick this in there. I might distress these or something. So, and then I got these. These were new, and I just thought that that was extremely, extremely pretty. You can sit down. You can sit down. No, you're not going out to the window. Then I found these, the Corrugated Butterflies, that are, they're dimensional, okay, and there's 12 of them in here for $1. That's pretty good. And then I found this. So this is from Jot. Like I said, Jot has another aisle in my store. And this is like 3 pages of stickers. And let's just say the 4th of July and then my birthday's coming up. So I may, you know, I was supposed to be born on the 4th of July, but I was a few days late. So I may make something here. I don't know yet. I'd like to make an album or a junk journal. I'm not sure, guys. I don't know. But anyways, I believe that that is it. I've held on to this Dollar Tree. I've held on to this Dollar Tree haul for a while now because I was waiting for the time to shoot it or to record it. And I hope that you like this. And good Lord, please come in and start your revival. I know trouble has to be before your revival, but please come in and open these people's minds and their hearts and their eyes and show them exactly what's going on. And just, Lord, just thank you for the peace that passes all understanding, everybody here. And thank you for healing everybody of their illnesses and sicknesses. And thank you for allowing me to make all these. They're not really junk journals, they're prayer journals. But thank you for allowing me to make all of these prayer journals that that I can sell. And some I'm going to give away, but thank you so much. And thank you for allowing me to continue to get little hauls. And I'm just so grateful to each and every viewer out there, and bless them greatly, Father. In the name of Jesus, these things I pray. And guys, just keep creating with love. And have a nice night. And be blessed all the days more. Bye, everyone.